This is the tutorial to assemble 12 pieces of Sonobe. And we have our Sonobe units here. This is the middle. Always use the middle as the reference. 12 pieces of Sonobe is essentially a octahedron. Means we will have 8 surfaces, 8 triangles. We first off build a triangle using 3 pieces like this. And once you get this one, we will build another 3 sides of triangles. And this is one side. And just take one of it and insert 2 pieces. We will form the second side of the pyramid. See this one, 1, 2. And if we put up like that, we have a pyramid. So the third and fourth will be here and here. Insert 2 more like this. And you see you have 3 sides of the pyramid. And for the last part, this one will just be combining together like this. So we have 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4. This is the last one. Once this is completed, the octahedron, we will be 4 remaining left. And if you look at this one, this is the bottom part. And at the top part will be just and add 4 more pieces to complete. And so if you look at this one, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth will go like this. I'll insert it here. And you will have this cross section like that. Move on here like this. Just insert one. And this one goes up here to form a triangle. And this one goes here. So just continue on, insert. This is the final piece. The final piece goes here. And you will also connect here. Insert all the flaps and we will complete. We are done. This is the octahedron.